Oh, actually, come here. Like you
Oh,
can see,
you want me to? Okay.
I can like see inside the box. Oh, that's nuts. Look in there. I'm so excited for that, dude. You can see like some of the red trim.
Yeah.
This is sick. What's up? My name's Austin. I own KickinPowersports.com, and today's a very special day. This is a motorcycle delivery day, and we're gonna unbox it. I've been working on this one for the last 6 months with this manufacturer in China. It finally got here. It took like a million papers. Oh my gosh, it's such a pain. But it's here, and we might start selling them. I'm not sure yet, but it's gonna be awesome. So let's get into it. Yeah, so for this one, it literally took, I think I spent like weeks and weeks on papers. Like so many papers, and like customs and clearance is like a thing when you bring a boat in with like bikes or anything coming from China has to go through customs and clearance, basically making sure it's not like dangerous. And if it is dangerous, you have to get like approved for it. And importing a battery is not fun.
Yeah,
all right, look at here, look at here. Oh my gosh. Ooh, don't give them too much though.
I'm so excited. Yeah,
oh my gosh, it's so sick. I'm so stoked. Be nuts.
Oh, a little bit of, there's some blue you can see.
Yeah, dude. All right. Oh my gosh. Whoa!
Whoa,
oh my
baby.
gosh. Okay, I'm gonna show you.
Oh man,
Oh my
dude.
gosh.
That's so sick.
That's so nuts. That's so nuts. Oh,
That's sick.
it's nuts. KickinPowersports.com is where these are. And any other bike you want, pretty much. Not any other, but lots and lots of motorcycles and four-wheelers on Kickin' Powersports. Yeah, it's nuts.
How fast can they go?
I think I was at 50 or 55, somewhere between 50 and 60, depending on how much you weigh.
That's sick.
So if you weigh like, you know, like 400 pounds, I don't even know what the weight limit is.
Yeah.
But you're not gonna be able to go as fast if you weigh like 100 pounds.
Yeah.
All right, this is it.
That's beautiful.
I can't even believe this. This is insane. It's literally insane. It's so sick. It's a beautiful thing, you know? It's amazing. It's incredible. I'm at a loss of words for it, to be completely honest. Like, it's incredible. Like, I spent so much time on this, developing this for you guys. I think I'm gonna have to get more of them if I can manage to sell these. Pull the seat cover off. Oh yes.
So how many miles can it go?
I think we have a range of about 50 miles per charge on it, which isn't bad. Like honestly, if you're commuting, you can go to work and back, and if your work's farther than that, just plug it in at the office while you go inside. Like it's not hard. Same thing with school and stuff. Like if you live on campus, it's perfect. Just take it home and charge it, and like gas on scooters is already cheap, and now you save even more on this thingy. Oh, sweet. It's a beaut. She's a beaut. All right, let's pull her off and wheel her outside. All right, so we got the box. I'm gonna see what's in the box. I would hope there's a charger in it. That'd be pretty disappointing if there was not a charger. I'd be very surprised if there wasn't. Ooh, 2 boxes inside the box. All right, so this looks like a big fat block for charging it. Oh yeah. Okay, that's a Big Daddy charger. I like it. Very sick. This side plugs into the wall. This plugs into the other side of the charger, or maybe this plugs into the bike. Let's see. Right here. Some notes with it. Oh, and here's the mirrors. Oh, good. I like it. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Looks like kind of like a carbon fiber pattern on the back of it.
Sick.
That's nuts. Those are way cool. Let's put them on.
Got the mirrors on.
The mirrors on, it looks super clean. Now we're figuring out where to charge it because we have no idea. Something we didn't ask. All right, I think we figured out where this charges. I think this is about to be really sick. Okay, it charges right there. That's awesome that there's a storage compartment in here as well as like, wow, that goes back. You can put like a water bottle, phone, whatever in there. That's awesome. That's sweet. We're gonna wheel it in the garage, charge it up, and then maybe take some videos tonight with it.